This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. And today we have a full collection of baby Pucky. This is like Pucko Adventure, right? No, Poco's Adventure. Oh my God. Okay, so let me tell you. When I started kind of getting into like blind boxes and shit like that, there's this creator I watch, Hope Scope. Okay, Hope Scope, I don't know, she's to me like my comfort creator. Like I'll just watch her do whatever. And when she was like unboxing everything from Pop Mart, she was showing Pucky and she showed specifically like this series. And I was like, what the f is this? And this was always like a wish list item. Then, I don't know what happened, but Pop Mart and Pucky, they were supposed to come out with like these things. Okay. Then they got like totally banished, I think because of like a Beanie Baby claim or I don't know what the f it is. But I started noticing that sets of Pucky were disappearing on Pop Mart. Hey, editing me here. So I filmed this in November of 2025. I'm editing this on June 18th, 2026. I wasn't kidding when I told you I had a lot of unboxing videos. All that to say, a lot has changed since recording this video back in November of 2025. Also, my background, so minimal. I hate it. And then it made me like get gutted like horribly because it's like, oh my God, what are they gonna do to my babies? Like I just lost my. And now you cannot even find this set on Pop Mart. And this is like, I think one of their more recent sets. So I've been kind of like, you know, hemming and hawing, like it's expensive. It was like over $200. So I was like, oh, I'll buy it one day. And then that day never happened. So I panicked. And then Pucky again was like being disappeared and whatever. So I found this on Whoopia, whatever. I found it on that site and I wound up getting this a lot cheaper than what I would have paid had I went through Pop Mart directly. So yay for me. We love a savings. That said, I'm happy to say that Pucky is going to be coming out with a new series. This one. I don't know when, but it looks like little figures, which makes me very happy because I love collecting little figures. And anything Pucky is amazing. So without further ado, we need to open up Poco's Adventure. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I love Pucky so much. I love Pucky so much. Okay, so, ooh, she's heavy. So here is little Pucky, okay? Oh no. Oh, my little box. It gets so destroyed. Oh God. Okay. Oh God. Okay, it's opening. Granted, that was due to me because when it came, it didn't obviously look like this. I wanted to make it look like it was in a Pop Mart store. So I kind of squished the boxes as I was like kind of manipulating the cardboard. So that's on me. Here are all the different options. I'll pop it up on the side on the screen here so you can kind of see everything a little bit more clearly, just in case you can't see this. I'm excited. Now what I want, obviously, I really want the secret. The secret one looks so fucking cute. This is the secret, by the way. So it would be amazing to get the secret, but that means I probably, and I don't know which one I wouldn't get. Is there any that I don't like? No. No, because they're all cute. It's all Pucky, all right? I love them all. So I think who I think is gonna be in this one, he's kind of big. I feel like he's a little top heavy. I think this is either gonna be Saved by the Cat or Oh No, which is this one. Or maybe A Nice Journey, which could be this one. But who cares? Let's see. Let's open this bitch. I love this packaging so much. Bitch, when you're right. Okay, because it's Oh No. I felt like he was a hefty boy. And oh, look how sad he's in a boat. Oh, I love you so much, you little. Oh, he's so cute. Now you do, what do you get in here? Oh, you get a little toy. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is the card. Oh God, that's so cute. The artwork on Pucky, bitch. Okay, say less. This is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna put his little stick in his hand. Oh, shut up. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I can't wait for my new office. It's gonna be so much Pucky. It's gonna be like cubes of Pucky. I'm so excited. Okay, since I'm feeling psychic today, this one's a light boy. I think this one's going to be The Departure. Or The Truth. It's either gonna be The Departure or The Truth. So Departure or The Truth. It's gonna be one of those. I feel it. Tell you I'm psychic. Oh, bitch. Okay. I think I've been opening up enough boxes to know what things feel like, okay? It's funny because like he is sturdy. He's very light. Where are you? Okay, hold on, Becky. Oh my God, oh my God. He's a sweet angel and he has a little pink puffball. Oh. I love these. Oh, these are so good. They're so good. When I was in New York, we wound up going to like a Newberry Comics and they had these in there. Like they had like, you know, like loose boxes or whatever. And I almost was like this close to buying it. And I was like, no, I want the whole set. And I'm glad that I didn't because this is everything right now. Or I could have had the secret. Okay. Can't think like that. All right. This one, I feel like this one's gonna be, I think this one's gonna be disguised. I don't know why. I kind of feel like it's gonna be either maybe these two. Disguised or scare the monster away. I am the monster. No, okay. Can I tell you, I was thinking about this one, but I didn't say it, and that is bad on me, okay? So this one is Poco's Fantasy. Okay, I can't handle him. Look at your precious moments, okay? It's Pucky, bitch, all right? He is so cute. I can't. My brain, I can't handle this. And of course, the little card. The artwork is so insane on these little guys. Oh my God, I love them. All right, this one's kind of light. I feel like this one's gonna be, I think this is gonna be Departure. I think it's gonna be him. I feel it. No, it's not. Oh, it's the scary creature. Oh my God, he's so scary. Look how cute he is. Oh, you're a little demon devil boy. Oh, I love this. Oh, the card's so good. That's me. At like literally 1 o'clock in the morning when I think it's 6, but it's only 1 and I'm up. And then I realize, oh, I'm gonna be up the whole day. That's what I look like. Red eyes and everything. Oh, you're so cute. God, I love this. In this world that we're living in, which is like horrible, these give me joy. You have no idea. All right, this feels heavy. I think this one's gonna be, who are you gonna be? I think, it's not like super heavy, but it is heavy. I think it's gonna be the beginning or it's gonna be a new journey. It's gonna be, okay, this one or that one. I think it's gonna be one of those. I feel like, final answer, I think it's gonna be a new journey. Okay. Wait, no. Who are you? I was so confident. Break time. Oh no, I wasn't even close. Hold please. It comes with like a lot of shit. First of all, card, super cute. Love that. This comes with like a little grassy knoll, right? So he's kind of like sitting his little fat ass there. And then he has a little sad fire that we just like kind of put in the front. So can I make this easier? How could I make this easier? This. This way. Look how fucking cute. Oh. Hold on. Okay. We're just gonna put you down, Pucky. I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry, my little man. Oh God, okay. So far we've been doing all right. This one feels heavy. This one I'm gonna say is Beanie's Decision. I think it's gonna be Beanie's Decision. It's gonna be that guy. Let's find out. No, it's not. It's not that. Instead, this one is Disguise and it's so cute. First of all, that's the card. So adorable. Look how fun he is. Oh, these are so cute. I love this fairy tale theme. They're everything. They really are. Okay, we have 6 more boxes to go. This one feels heavy. I feel like, you know, I'm gonna shoot my shot. No, I'm not gonna shoot my shot yet. I'm gonna say that this is the beginning. I feel like this is gonna be the beginning. He feels very fat. Feels like his mother, all right? So, and yes, I am his mother. When your bitch is psychic, okay? Oh my God, look at him. So this is the beginning. So cute. And of course, dude on the box, we love that. Oh, he's so cute. I can't. How many times can I say he's so cute? But he's so cute though, I can't. This series was worth every Every penny. Okay. Ooh, all right. I'm just gonna, this one feels heavy. Ooh, this one feels heavy too. So let's see. Who don't I have? I don't have departure, I don't think, right? I think this is gonna be Beanie's decision. I think this is gonna be Beanie's decision. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a new journey. It's like, wait a second, what the is this? Because there's one that has like a cat, but I was like, this is a weird looking cat. No, oh my God, it's like kind of like a little pigeon. Oh, there's like a baby pucky behind him. I can't, I just can't, I can't handle this. I need to call out of work today and be like, sorry, I got puckyitis. I can't go. I can't be at my desk today. Actually, no, I can. I just realized like I could have just probably saved this series and like opened it up when I was in my new spot, but like, no. Why do that when I could open it up right now? Also, I was thinking about this when I'm in the new spot. I think I might change the background. Well, so I'm gonna probably have a different background from this because I think I want like cubes behind me. But I think when I do unboxing videos, I might just do them in my office. And my office is gonna look so good. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. We gotta figure it out, but I think it might be a different location, maybe. I don't know. I'm saying a lot of things right now. I'm also like half asleep. So all this sounds like a good idea right now, but who knows? Okay, we have 4 left. They all feel pretty good. I think this one's gonna be Scare the Monster? I think it's gonna be Scare the Monster. It's gonna be that guy. No, it's Beanie's decision. Ah! Okay. Oh, this is literally me. First of all, sitting, eating, not having a care in the world. Okay, he is so cute. I can't even handle it. Of course, we have the card. Again, cards, beautiful. We have 3 boxes left. Okay, so we don't have departure, saved by the cat, or scare the monster away. Okay, or potentially secret. I feel like this one's gonna be the cat. This one's gonna be saved by the cat. I feel less confident right now. Bitch, okay. This one is the departure. Cute artwork, love that. Oh, he's so fat. Love him. His little backpack. Okay, sir. How are you supposed? Oh, because there's a fucking thing here. That's why. I was like, why are you standing all weird? Because you have a little grassy knoll. Oh, okay. All right, hold on. Adorable. I'm sorry. Adorable. Now we have 2 left. I really, really, really want the secret one because it looks like an alien or like holding a little pucky's hand. But we have the departure. So we just need Saved by the Cat and Scare the Monster, which I want both of those too. All right, I think this one's gonna be Scare the Monster. Bitch, when you're right, you're right. Okay, look how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute. I can't handle you. Okay, so you don't have anything. Oh, but he looks so cool on the card. Oh, yeah, that's so cute. Okay, love that. This one has to be Saved by the Cat. If it's not, it's the secret, but I have a feeling it's gonna be Saved by the Cat, which makes me feel a little sad that I didn't get a secret, but it's okay though, because I got Saved by the Cat and Saved by the Cat looks really cute, I think. Let's see. Yeah! I was like, sir, this is just the cat. Where is Pucky? Okay, Pucky's right here. Hold on. Okay, so he just kind of sits. He's, that is so cool. Oh my God, he's magnetic. All right, so that's what he looks like. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so happy I got him. I would have been really sad. I would have been sad. I think this is like one of the cuter ones. I mean, they're all cute. I love me the monster though. I love that monster one. That one's really good too. Fuck, they're all so good. But that cat one's special. Oh my God, look how cute. Chell, do you approve of this one? It's a cat. Do you approve of this one? Let me know, Chell. Okay, that was a lot of fun. All right, so I did buy another Pucky series. I don't remember the name of it. I'm gonna pop it up right here. Yeah, I panicked yesterday. I know, I'm so stupid bitch. I panicked because I was like, oh my God, I want this. Because I think what I want to do now is just collect all the Puckies because I really feel like something's not right in the Pop Mart universe and I think they're taking away my son. And I need to have every little record of evidence that he exists. So I need to get every Pucky possible. But so far my collection's looking pretty good, I gotta say. I know, thank you. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have the Poko adventure, and do you have the secret, or do you have the same shit as I do, or do you just have one or two? Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And of course, if you ever have any like fun blind boxes that you're like, oh shit, I saw this and I thought it'd be, let me know down below. I'm always like on the hunt looking for new like little figures, art figures too. Like, doesn't always have to be a blind box, but like I love like little tchotchkes. I love dusting, essentially. Let me know, because I just love this shit. I really do. They're just so much fun, and they give me so much joy when I look at them from sitting in my office for like, 10 hours at a time. These give me life. That said, I want to say a very special thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.